Chapter 2: Computer Software. Learning Objectives. After studying the chapter, students will be able to know about software, system software, learn about different types of software, application software. A computer is made up of two parts, software and hardware. Let us first know the differences between hardware and software. Differences between hardware and software. Hardware, software. You can touch and feel it. You cannot touch, feel or see a software. Physical components of a computer. A set of instructions to perform a specific task. It instructs the hardware to work. Hardware is the body of a computer. Software is the brain of a computer. Introduction to software. Software is the program that runs a computer. A computer hardware cannot work without the software. A software is a program written as per the user's need. A computer software can be broadly divided into two categories, system software and application software. Let us discuss them in a detailed manner. Info bits. A program is a set of instructions that you give to a computer to complete a given task. Software. System software, application software. System software is further divided into operating system, utility software, and language processor. Application software is divided into presentation software, desktop publishing software, graphics software, and multimedia software. System software. System software is the software that manages and controls the operations and internal working of a computer. Operating system, language processor, and utility software are the three types of system software. Let us discuss them one by one. Info bits. A software named BIOS, Basic Input-Output System, starts automatically when you switch on a computer. It checks whether all the input and output devices are installed and ready for use. System software is divided into operating system, language processor, utility software. Operating system OS. An operating system OS is a software that manages computer hardware resources and provides common services for computer programs. The operating system is a vital component of a computer system. It is a program that acts as an interface between the user and the computer. It also controls the execution of all kinds of programs such as MS Word, WordPad, Paint, Logo, etc. Some examples of operating systems are Linux, Android, Microsoft Windows, etc. Functions of an OS. Some of the functions of an OS system can be summarized as follows. 1. Controlling, to control all the input and output devices. 2. Assigning, to assign various tasks to the CU and ALU depending upon the input received from the user. 3. Managing, to manage memory and assign it to run a program. 4. Executing, to run any software asked by the user. It also checks whether the software is compatible with the system or not. 5. Tracking, to keep a track of all the files and folders created and saved by a user in different locations. When the user asks for a specific file, it should run that file. 6. Tracking of deleted files or folders, to keep a track of the deleted files and folders. 7. Safety. It prevents the misuse of computer by providing the option of creating a password. Language processor. A language processor translates a programming language to a machine language. The different types of language processors are compiler, interpreter, and assembler. Info bits. Machine language is the only language that a computer understands. It is a language of zeros and ones. Assembler. An assembler converts an assembly language into a machine language and vice versa. Compiler. A compiler converts the high-level languages into a machine language, the whole program at once. COBOL, Fortran, C, C++, etc. use compilers. Interpreter. An interpreter converts a high-level language into a machine language line by line. Programming languages like Java, Python, and Perl use interpreters. Utility software. A utility software is a system software intended to analyze, configure, monitor, or help maintain a computer. It can be included with the operating system or installed separately. Examples of a utility software are antivirus, backup software, clipboard, compression disk cleaner, etc. Antivirus software. An antivirus software is a computer program that protects the computer from viruses. It also has tools to scan for a virus present in files and protects the computer from failure of system and losing data. Names of some antivirus software are Quick Heal, Kaspersky, McAfee, etc. Backup. Computer is a wonderful machine, but it may suffer loss or damage. So, it is important to create a backup of the stored data in a storage device. Creating a backup ensures complete recovery of files in a situation of data loss. Storage devices such as external hard disk, compact disk, and flash drive can be used for such purpose. Compression. Sometimes large amount of data is needed to be stored, but the space available is insufficient. In this case, data can be shrunk. This process of shrinking the data so that more data can be stored in a computer is called compression. Compression is also used when attaching files for the purpose of sending them online, as the space provided for attaching data can be limited. Some of the compression software are 7-Zip, WinZip, WinRAR, etc. Application software. An application software is a set of programs that is developed to carry out specific tasks for users. These specific tasks can be performing calculations, making a document look attractive, arranging of data in an organized manner, animating pictures, drawings, logos, etc. There are various types of application software available, such as word processing software, database management software, spreadsheet software, presentation software, desktop publishing software, graphics software, multimedia software. Let's discuss some of them. Word processing software. Word processing software helps you create documents like reports, letters, essays, test papers, stories, articles, detailed accounts, editorials, poems, etc. You can use word processing software to beautify your text, add pictures and effects, insert tables, diagrams, borders, placement of text, use word art, and various other formats as per your requirement. Some popular word processing softwares are MS Word, WordPad, Google Docs, etc. Database management software, DBMS. Database management software is used to maintain and manage large quantity of data. This allows the information to be accessed, modified, and updated easily. DBMS can easily sort, arrange, add, delete, save, create, and update a database as per your requirement or use. Some popular database management software are MS Access, DBase, Oracle, MySQL, etc. Infobits. A database is a collection of data that is stored in an organized manner. Spreadsheet software. A spreadsheet is an application that requires and analyzes data in tabular and other forms like charts, graphs, etc. It allows us to perform complex calculations without any difficulty. Some popular spreadsheet software are MS Excel, LibreOffice Calc, Google Sheets, etc. Presentation software. When an idea or information is to be created and presented in a creative manner, presentation software is used. It is primarily used for educational purposes and displaying presentations for commercial projects. Some examples are MS PowerPoint, Canva, Adobe Spark, etc. Desktop publishing software. This software is specifically used for creating visual communication such as brochures, business cards, greeting cards, books, advertisements, web pages, posters, and more for desktop printing or electronic publishing. Some examples of this software are Adobe InDesign, CorelDRAW, Quark Express, etc. Infobits. Lotus 123 is a discontinued spreadsheet program from Lotus Software. Graphics software. This software can be used to make cartoons, logos, pictures, drawings, etc. Some of the examples of popular graphics software are Paint, Adobe, Photoshop, Corel Photo Paint, Adobe Illustrator, etc. Multimedia software. Multimedia software is used for adding, creating, viewing, altering, deleting, saving, and importing a particular media. It can also be used to animate a picture, group of pictures, graphics, logos, drawings, cartoons, etc. Examples of multimedia software are VLC Media Player, Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker, etc. Summary. A computer is made up of two parts, software and hardware. Software is the program that runs a computer. A program is a set of instructions that you give to a computer to complete a given task. Computer software can be broadly divided into two categories, system software and application software. System software is the software that manages and controls the operation and internal working of a computer. An operating system OS is a collection of software that manages computer hardware resources and provides common services for computer programs. A language processor translates a programming language to a machine language. A utility software is a computer system software intended to analyze, configure, monitor, or help maintain a computer. An antivirus software is a computer program that protects the computer from viruses. It is important to create a backup of the stored data in a storage device as a computer can malfunction, which can affect its internal hard disk, causing loss of data. The process of shrinking the data so that more data can be stored in a computer is called compression. Application softwares are a set of programs that are developed to carry out specific tasks for users.